Hi, I'm Simran from Labra, and I'm going to go over how you can list a SaaS product on AWS Marketplace through FlyOut. So the idea is once you purchase a subscription for FlyOut, you just come on to signing up onto our platform. Thereafter, you sign in, and these are certain onboarding steps that you will come across. It's just basics, company details. You have to set up your cloud so that we can list on your behalf, and FlyOut can manage your listing. And thereafter, this is the main part of it, which is the listing information. We have four different sections here, asking you for various details about your listing and how you would want it to look like once it goes live on Marketplace. So as you can see here, we have various fields wherein you will be providing us the information that you want to take live, different highlights, the support information. There are certain optional fields as well that you can just add and to create your SaaS listing. Product categories, you can choose from any of these, massive list of product categories, whichever suits your product the most. Just keywords, so on and so forth. It's just product details. Once you're done with this entire page, once you're satisfied, you can just hit on submit and you will see a green tick over here. Thereafter, we'll come to product dimensions. Again, you will be filling up all this information yourself async, or you can also invite your team members from here. Once you do invite your team members, you will be able to fill this entire form that you see here on my screen, asynchronously. You don't really have to get on a call, and all the data will be saved real time. So whatever changes anyone in the world is making in this form of yours will be shown to you right then and there. So that is how we've made it very easy for every user to get this listing data filled up as soon as possible. Over here we see usage dimensions. You enter the price whatever you would want it to be. If I want it to be $1,000, I can just put down 1,000 as well. For testing purposes right now, I'm just going to write down 0.001. You can choose where you want to make your offer available by country. If you want to exclude certain countries, that is also an option that you were given. And thereafter you can choose as many countries as you would wish to exclude from your offer. And once done, again you just press on submit. These are certain landing page details that we will be taking from your end. This is just the page where your buyers will be redirected once they subscribe to your product. As you can see, all the information is already filled here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on submit again. And you can see the moment all the information is complete, like let's say there's a mandatory field but it's not complete yet, and if I remove it, I will not be able to submit the page. So I have to add the correct data into all the mandatory fields for it to let me go ahead and submit my page. Now there's also a disclaimer right at the end of the page which I have to enable. I have to say that yes, I have agreed and understood the disclaimer that has been given. Once done, that's essentially the end of the flow. There is an optional step of connecting your CRM in case you have purchased that additional feature from us. But if not, then you're all set from here. You just hit submit, which is the last submit that you'll have to hit, and your listing has been created inside AWS Marketplace. The status, as you can see, stays limited. This is because this listing is not live yet, which means that the users will not be able to see this listing that has just been created. There will be next steps on this listing, which is basically testing from both our team and AWS Marketplace's team. Only once your listing succeeds all of these tests that are being performed, will it be visible, will it be made public, and your buyers will be able to see it and purchase it off of Marketplace. Right now there's nothing more to it that you can do. You have done all your part, and your listing has been created, as you can see in front of me. That's it. That's pretty much the end of the flow. It's as simple as that. Just a form and your listing is created. Simultaneously, so on and so forth, you will also be able to create further consecutive listings from inside our platform itself. Um, so yes, that's pretty much about it.